Hi everyone, I'm Daunielle Doughty with the Locals team, and this is my fantastic partner, Carrie Caggiano. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are super excited to take you on a tour of one of San Jose's most charming and historic neighborhoods, the Rose Garden. The Rose Garden area is not just known for its beautiful homes and stunning streets, but also for its rich history and vibrant community. It is an amazing place to live and to explore.
Absolutely. And we've got some fantastic videos to share with you of our favorite streets, like University, Martin, Singletary, Hester, and Morse. Each one has its own unique charm.
That's right. So University is one of my absolute favorites. It is a wide tree-lined street with historic homes that showcase a range of architectural styles, from Victorian to Tudor. The large lots and mature trees give it this grand, timeless feel. Honestly, it is one of my, in fact, probably our favorite streets in the Bay Area.
And then there's Martin. I love Martin. Those roundabouts are so fun to drive. They add such a unique touch to this neighborhood. Plus, the street is lined with towering palm trees, making it feel like a slice of paradise. You don't feel like you're in San Jose at all. Singletary Avenue is another gem. It's a quieter street, perfect for a leisurely stroll. Many of the homes here have beautifully landscaped front yards and classic bungalow architecture. And then, of course, we have Hester. Hester Avenue is a bit of a hidden treasure. It's close to the heart of the Rose Garden and features a mix of historic homes with modern updates. The community feel here is very strong with many longtime residents.
And we cannot forget Morse. It has some of the widest roads and largest lots in the area, which gives it an open, airy feel. Many homes here have large front porches where neighbors often gather to hang out with one another.
So the Rose Garden is also perfectly located to the Alameda, a street known for its great restaurants, with one of our favorites, which is Luna. And if you love wine, you have to check out the J-War Winery with the tasting room. It's a great spot to enjoy a glass of wine, and not many people realize there's a winery right there.
And so it is fun fact time.
Fun facts.
So did you know that some of the CC&Rs in this area date all the way back to the 1800s? So a few years ago, Carrie and I sold a home with a CC&R that stated, "No brothels allowed in the area." Absolute craziness.
So the history here is fascinating. Before this area became the beautiful residential district it is today, it was primarily a prune and pear orchard. This is one of the oldest subdivisions in the state, the Chapman and Davis Tract, which was built here in a Norman and Tudor style.
And besides all the rich history, let's not forget the centerpiece of the neighborhood, hence its name, the San Jose Municipal Rose Garden. It is a 5.5-acre garden with over 3,500 rose bushes and nearly 200 varieties. It's consistently ranked as one of the best rose gardens in the entire country.
It's gorgeous.
It is.
It's an absolutely beautiful place for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even a wedding.
Yeah.
A lot of the high schools in the area, they actually do graduations here too. The garden is lovingly maintained by a group of dedicated volunteers, and it is a true gem in the heart of the city.
That's right. And the Rose Garden neighborhood is also home to some of the most architecturally diverse homes in San Jose. You'll find everything from Victorians to 1940s bungalows, many of which have been meticulously maintained or transformed into larger estates given the large lots they have. And with over 1,000 homes, there is something for everyone. The median list price is roughly around $2 million, but with such an incredible diverse variety of homes, the median price does truly vary depending on sales that month.
And the community here is fantastic too. Nearby, you've got O'Connor Hospital, Whole Foods down the street, the Westfield Valley Fair, Santana Row for shopping, the Rosicrucian Egyptian Museum, SAP Center for concerts and sports events. And in addition, it is a commuter's dream, just moments to major freeways and the San Jose International Airport.
You have so much to do there, and it is so convenient. And if you love events, so the St. Martin of Tours School and Church, it organizes an annual Rose Garden Homes Tour every October. This is a absolutely wonderful way to see the most beautiful homes in the neighborhood and to support the community.
So come take a ride with us around these beautiful streets, University, Martin, Singletary, Hester, and Morse. Discover what makes the neighborhood so special. And don't forget to check out the Alameda for some great dining and wine tasting.
Thanks for joining us today. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and do subscribe for more neighborhood tours and real estate tips. We are always here for you. We are the locals team. Reach out anytime. We would absolutely love to hear from you.
Hey, so until next time.
Bye.
Take care.